To the mommy of everyone and the bunso of the family, but there's the ability where she looks like she's the eldest because when she handles things, she handles it very well. Mommy was a kind person, a loving person, family-oriented, approachable, loving, and never shouts. But she shouts when she laughs. And yeah, she's scary when she's angry. But in my case, I don't remember she get angry with me. Kay da, good girl man ko. Mutuman man ko dayon. In fact, malagot pas mamasaw kay mas mutuman ko dayon ka mami kaysa ka mama. But I don't know, maybe because when she asks something or she asks a favor, she lambing and never shouts. Kung ganahan ko mulihok. Pero bitaw, matuman ko ka mama ay mag-away lang kadali. One thing I love about mommy is she's like a bridge to our family. She loves it when we're together. She loves bonding and quality time. I remember back then, every occasions, especially holidays like Christmas and New Year's, manglimpyo jud ka, magluto jud ka, making mga sudan, and even there's a lechon para auto ang makaon and tapukan. And yeah, dili na ko na siya malimtan kay wala may gahanda jud, kabalo jud ka ana, may dili may gahanda jud every occasions. Kay dito lang may mutapon sa imuha. And muna na siya kung nakasanayan. Ano kailakan ko? Muna siya kung nakasanayan actually. Kay dili pod milingaw nga wala ka, and I know nga dili ka malingaw nga wala pod mi. And then us would be very so excited kay every 12 midnight in New Year magpailog jud kag coins. So kami mangandam sa mga kusog, mangandam sa mga kamang, sa mga balde, sa mga t-shirt nga dapat dako para dagan mig makuha. He loves it when we're together, when we're having fun, when we bond, and having a quality time. You love seeing us, your pamangkins happy. You love seeing everyone's happy. Grabe kay kamo love og mga pag-umangkon og mga igsuon. Gikan sa una hangtod ron sa imo mga apo, sa imong mga pag-umangkon. I've grown up seeing that your love for us never changed. And thank you for that, me. I don't think I can thank you enough for everything. You've always been there for us and for me. You're like a best friend, aside from mama. And yeah, I may not be the perfect pamangkin me, but I promise to honor and to be right here for you no matter what. Promise, not me. Alright, enough of the dramas. All I wish is that God would give you more birthdays to come and good health and be happy. I wish that God would make you happy because I know you deserves it. I know that it's easy to say na be happy, enjoy life, but I know that you can't because of the situation. Kanat lang. I love you, me, so much and forever. Happy birthday!